Now we're going to show you how easy it is to use your Bakerstone Pizza Oven Box. Simply place it on your grill, set your burners to high, and let it preheat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the needle reaches the flame icon, you're ready to bake pizza. Now you're going to launch your pizza into the baking chamber, and then you're going to let it sit for at least a minute. Letting the pizza sit will let the crust set up and make it easier to rotate your pizza. You rotate your pizza because it's hottest in the back of the oven, so slide your turner underneath the pizza, lift and rotate it, and you're going to turn it a quarter to a third of a turn. And you're going to do this every 40-45 seconds, and that will ensure a nice even brown around the outside. Now be careful when you slide under your pizza not to hit the edge of the pizza, or you may fold it underneath. After about 2 to 4 minutes, you'll end up with a perfectly cooked pizza. Enjoy!